In this video, I'll show you how to remove a background in Canva. First, open Canva and sign into your account. Then create a new design or open an existing one and upload the image you want to edit by clicking Uploads. Next, click on the image to select it, then choose Edit Photo from the toolbar. Find and click the Background Remover tool. Now, wait a few moments while Canva automatically removes the background from your image. Once it's finished, review the result. If needed, use the Erase and Restore brushes to make small adjustments and clean up the edges. After that, click Done to apply your changes. You can now place your image on a new background, add graphics, or use it in any Canva design. Finally, click the Share button, select Download, choose your preferred file format, and save the edited image to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to remove a background in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.